YouTube, and it's your girl Rosella from Rosella Gang Gang Gang. Uh, uh. And as you can see, I'm gonna do my hair or whatever. Now I'm cheering. And you guys, it's not a wig. Well, it is a wig now because I made it. I made this, you guys. I make them. Get it, babe. Ball head, house head. But yeah, I made this or whatever. So, as you can see, pull it up. You can pull it up. You can pull it up. And I did some baby hairs too. As you can see, I did some baby hairs. But yeah. So, I was just going to say like some different styles that I could do to it. This like one of my favorite ones. This one to pull it up or whatever. You guys, the reason why it's not a video up of me how I did it is because I had a long day, and I'm gonna be real, I was tired and I just wanted to go ahead and do something with my darn hair. So yeah, so that's why I just did this or whatever, you know. I did this real quick. It does not take that long, but it'll be too long for me to post a video of it. In a way, it'll be too long. So I guess that's why I just did this, because you know you could just do, you know, just a couple of little styles or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So that's just a couple of styles or whatever, you know, on this. I'm gonna take it down. Get it, bit. I'm about here. Oh. So I'm gonna take this down and see, like, get it. Shoot. I'm trying to get it together, you guys. I might need a brush. I didn't think this through, but taking it down, I didn't think this through at all. Not at all. Not at all. But yeah. That's another style. That's the style. Like, for real, for real. I've been doing these things for a long time. And this is the style that I've always done. To do it, like, to the side and stuff. That's how it looks. But, yeah. I usually do it with color and stuff. But, you know, I'm on the budget. You know, with this crisis going on. This pandemic. Kind of on the budget a little bit. Even though I know I could get... This just like one of the favorite hairs I like to get, and this the cheapest one of it or whatever. So I just like getting this hair, you know. You see it go down like that or whatever. But yeah, it's another style for it. Yes, poo. Yes, poo. And this is another one of my favorite styles. So just like pin it up like that. Pin it back or... See, right now I'm just going off the muscle, you guys. Get it off the muscle. Yes. See? That's another way I used to work. This yes. You know what I'm saying? Not so I get a curling line and stuff. I do more with it. But yeah, I need to get a crinkler and stuff because I like the crinkles and stuff like that. I love crinkling hairdos. But yeah. Yeah, I showed it. But yeah. But yeah. As you can see, this is the gluten. If you know how to do hair, you know it's a gluten. yeah, it's a glue-in or whatever. This is a glue-in. And I will definitely do a tutorial on how to do this glue-in. And oh my gosh, you guys, I want y'all to stay tuned, because once I start doing hair the way I like to do it, girl, hunty child, once I start doing these hair tutorials the way I like to do it, hunty girl, this is nothing. I'm good. Like, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want me to show y'all how to do like braids or anything that y'all want to see, let me know. Comment down below. Comment, subscribe, and like this. Like this video, and let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm here to help y'all. You part of Rosella gang, gang, gang. Rosella gang, Rosella gang, 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 gang. But yeah, you guys, child, it's so pretty. I like it. Like, it was more with this right here. Like, it was more with this. Like, I have like I don't know if you seen it when I first had it up, like the baby hair type thing going on, and I had it more like going across, but I started to buy some Got To Be Glued sus, but I did not sus. So since I didn't buy Got To Be Glued sus, I had to just, no, I'm sorry, I did use Got To Be Glued. Since I didn't, like, I couldn't do what I wanted to do with this, like, with the edge control. That's what I meant to say. With the edge control, I wanted to buy some edge control, but I had Got To Be Glued. So what I did, that's why you see that little white stuff right here. That's Got To Be Glued, child. That's Got To Be Glued. But yeah, I tried to lay it down to the best of my ability, and it didn't work out. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna trim this off. So that's what I did. But it made it easier to like trim it off for my hair. Like, you see that? It made it easier to trim it with it being like frozen, basically. And I just laid it down with my thing or whatever, and then like, but the hair up is my favorite. Like, I like to keep my hair up when I wear my hair like this, when I make my wigs, because I've made a lot of wigs in the past and stuff like that. I like to make wigs, so especially with glue, it's like quick, fast, and easy. Like, hunty child, I'm gonna show y'all another tactic, like, for people that don't like to keep it on, because me, I've did it to the point that I'm gonna have it on for at least a week. Yeah, it's gonna be on my head for like a week before I take it off. Like, seriously. So but I could teach you how to take and put it on, hunty. Put it on your head and do it, hunty, and take it right off that same day, hunty. Yes, I will do that for you guys. So I'll make that not my next video, but next time I do my hair or whatever video, I'm gonna make sure I do it on cameras and just have to just like speed up the time or something like that for you guys. Now I might start it so you can see it, and then let you see the finished product of it, and let you see how I lay tracks, and then let you see the finished product of it, and then we can do it that way, you guys. So I'm gonna do that for y'all, and just let me know what else y'all want me to do, because yes, hunty, yes, hunty, yes, hunty. So yeah, yes. I'm sorry, that's vanity, you guys. But alright, you guys, see you next time for my next video. Peace.